Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to manage your daily notes in an organized manner. So let's say for example, on the left hand side of the screen, we have created three daily notes for three different dates. We have done it for 15th, we have done it for 16th, and we have done it for 20th of January. Now you have three notes or three files listed under daily notes. So let's say for example, if you do it for 30 days, you're going to get 30 files here. You're going to get 30 files here, which could be a lot. So what you can do is if you want to manage it properly, you need to right click on daily notes and create a new folder. Okay, let's say this month is January. Okay, January. Now, under daily notes, for the month of January, these are the files that you have created. Now, let's say for example, if you are creating another folder in month February, okay, you need to simply right click and create new folder, type February here, and you can create the notes, and what you need to do is you can simply move these files to these folders. So this is for January. So I'm going to move this file to January. Okay, move this file to January. So in this way, what you're doing is you are organizing your daily notes. It's not scattered, like you don't have like 30-40 notes scattered everywhere, because over the period of time, if you have lot of days, if you are doing it regularly in each and every month, these notes will be scattered. So the best thing to do is create folder for each and every month and move those notes to those particular folders. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.